I'm going to walk you through one of the most powerful LinkedIn strategies I ever seen. I don't say that lightly. This strategy is so good that you will be able to get reply rates over 20% on LinkedIn and book meetings in autopilot without doing anything else. Most sales reps that think about using LinkedIn for prospecting will go directly into Sales Navigator, and they will look for a list of leads that can be really interesting for them because they are working for a targeted company, and you can even in LinkedIn Sales Navigator find some particular triggers that will indicate that this company might be interested in your services. So let's say you want to create a list here. You need to go to account filters, and you will see here a list of different filters that you can start using to be able to find and craft a list of companies that you want to monitor or you want to reach out to. In here, you can find also companies that are hiring. This is a great indicator that they are growing or they might be expanding their company into other markets. So it's a great indicator for you to reach out to. But what you don't know, if this company or this person is really interested in your service. By using Sales Navigator, you won't be able to identify any interest on your services, or crafting this list can be helpful for you to start engaging with those leads and even commenting on their posts. But the thing is that if you do it manually, you will be leaving money on your table. Just because right now you're able, by using Clay and other automation tools, to process a huge amount of leads in the same period of time that you will be dedicating into creating a list and even engaging with them. So let's say I have this list of leads here. What I will be able to do in Sales Navigator is enter their profile and then send them a message. It can be an email message or it can be a message from LinkedIn, like a conversational message. You can see the recent post. Let's say you want to react to this post. You can like the post, you can comment on the post manually. But in order to automate all this, you will need a system. So let me introduce you to how we suggest our clients to manage their LinkedIn campaigns. The first thing that you need to know about LinkedIn is that there are three main pillars that you need to be able to perform, able to get results on that. The first one is creating content. In order to create content in LinkedIn, the best recommendation possible is to first do a research and understand which type of content are performing really good on them. You can use tools like Clio to be able to get the recent post of any influencer and then order the post by the ones that have more reactions. So you will be able to see which post can have a better structure, so you can copy the structure or even the topic to create your own post. Content is also useful when you want to stand a position and be seen as a thoughtful leader in the industry. I recommend you to at least create content once per day. I mean, from Monday to Friday. The second pillar is comments. You are able to comment on your leads and use a tactic to stay top of mind for those leads. And finally, you can engage with them by sending them messages that can be emails or can be just LinkedIn messages. Using these three tactics together, you will be able to increase your conversion rate in LinkedIn by 2 or 3x. What we usually recommend our clients is to first of all create a cold campaign every new quarter or every new month so you keep growing your network. This campaign can be targeted to tier 1 leads and tier 2 leads. What I mean is that if you are able to identify through a qualification process leads that are really interesting for your company and you want to engage them with all your full power, then go for it. And for the ones that are not really good enough, you can use other systems to be able to engage with them. Let's say that for tier 1 leads, you want to send them to a campaign in which you can comment on their posts so you get noticed by them, but also you will start sending LinkedIn messages and cold email messages all at once. So you increase the conversion rate by multiplying the amount of ways that you are engaging with them. But for the ones that are tier 2, you don't want to waste your time in commenting on the post and you just want to send them to a campaign. So in those cases, you can create 2 different campaigns, one for the leads that are really hot, I mean the ones that are tier 1, and one for the ones that are tier 2. And for the ones that are tier 1, you can use a multi-channel sequencer. For instance, Get Sales, you can use La Growth Machine, you can use Lemlist. These tools will help you to integrate in the same workflow LinkedIn messages and cold email messages all together and be able to measure the impact of the whole campaign. Apart from that, you can use tools like Extrovert to start commenting on their post and be able to get noticed by them. This is another cool tool that you can start using to engage with your leads and prepare your leads before sending them to a campaign. And for the other ones, you can send them directly to an email campaign or to a LinkedIn campaign using tools like HeyReach for LinkedIn or SmartLead or Instantly for cold email. Then you will find leads that are warmer for your purposes. Those leads are the ones that you have in your CRM, that they are signed up into a newsletter, database, or they have leave you their email because you offer them any lead magnet. Those leads are the ones that you should for sure process them again and again into to a campaign. So if you're not connected with them, you can send it to a campaign to start commenting, sending the messages on LinkedIn, and cold email. The same process applies here, where you can qualify them, and the ones that are tier 1, you can send it to a more complex workflow, and for the ones that are tier 2, you can send it to a more straightforward workflow, where you will be just sending them messages. After that, there is a campaign that we always suggest to run, that is the re-engagement campaign. This campaign focuses on leveraging that you already have a conversation with your leads, using that conversation and using their leads information, craft personalized follow-up messages so you can keep nurturing your leads over and over again. They don't forget about you, and even if they're not ready to buy yet, probably in some month, they will see you again and they will evaluate your proposal. This campaign is one of the most effective ones, but this campaign only works if you are running these 2 campaigns before. Another great campaign that you should have in mind to run is a inbound lead outbound campaign or autopilot campaign. In this case, if you have a newsletter, for instance, you can trigger a campaign each time you have a new subscriber to your newsletter. You will be able to identify that in Clay and send those leads into a campaign to nurture them using commenting or using messages to be able to reach out. There are many other ways that can trigger a campaign. For instance, if you are hosting an event, after hosting the event, you might be able to invite the leads before or just send them the recording after the event so you keep nurturing those leads. And another cool campaign is an inbound lead outbound campaign called daily reaction to posts. That means that if you are creating content daily, you will be able to scrape those leads every day that they're reacting to your posts, they are commenting to your posts, and analyze if they're qualified for an outreach campaign. For instance, if they are commenting on your posts and saying something that they're really interested in what you're talking about, probably you should send them straight forward to a campaign. If they just like your post the first time, sending them to a campaign can be weird. So the idea here is that you create a process that will analyze if those leads react to your post more than 2 or 3 times. So if you are seeing that type of pattern, probably they are interested in your offers. So those leads can be really hot and you will be able to send them to a campaign directly and send them a message on autopilot. These systems that are on autopilot, I mean the ones that are starting from a reaction from a campaign, the ones that are starting from a sign up, or even you can schedule to run a re-engagement campaign, it's really useful because you don't have to manage your leads anymore. You will start getting leads on autopilot every day and every day getting new leads booked meeting with you. So this system is made for doing that. So in order to implement that in Clay, there is a really easy step-by-step process that you can do to create your first connection campaign, which means that those leads that are already connected with you can process them on Clay, qualify them, and send it to a campaign. So first of all, you will need to go to your LinkedIn account and download your database of first-degree connections that you can easily do by going here to your LinkedIn account, clicking on your profile picture, go to settings, privacy, and then go to data privacy, get a copy of your data, and then download larger data archive. So you request that file, and after a while, you will be able to get it. So you will be able to upload this CSV into Clay, and just like that, have a database of leads that are highly qualified for you. And you can even continue the qualification process by qualifying them by location, connections, followers. You can enrich them, you can normalize the name, check against the black leads, check if they're not in another campaign, and if they're not in another campaign, you can run an enrichment to get their recent posts, and you can use all that to qualify them or just to create messages. Here's an interesting part. You will be able to upload as well a database of all the conversations that you have, messages that you send to your leads, messages that you received from them, and then in Clay you will be able to connect that and get a conversation, a fully conversation here like this one. In this conversation you will be able to notice if the lead is interested or not. In some cases they are not ready to buy, so you can use an AI to first of all identify if the lead is a potential lead or is a potential partner, a referral, or a champion inside the company, and using that tags, if there are leads, you can use that information to qualify them if they are ready to send them a follow-up, or if they are not interested in your offer. Then you will be able to find their emails and you can send them the ones that are qualified to a campaign, or just have this list ready to be able to use whenever you want. So like I told you, if you have your first degree connection and you connect your conversation, you will be able to identify hot leads among them and then send it to a campaign in which you can create a copy and directly send it to a sequencer tool. So here you will be able to see some results that you can actually get from these campaigns. If you're targeting cold leads, I would recommend you to first of all identify those that are more interested in the solution that you're offering, and you'll be able to notice that if they are following your competitors, if they are following a complementary solution, and you'll be able to scrape that using this tool called Scrape Lead. This tool is really useful to scrape LinkedIn followers. So you'll be able to pay for a list of really qualified leads, and they will give you back these lists, and then you can use it in Clay to identify hot leads among them. Here you will see the connection request rate, and here you will see the amount of reply rate of these messages. The second way is to use AI to craft personalized messages using their LinkedIn profile profile information and their post on LinkedIn information. In Clay, you will be able to process all that and craft really targeted, highly quality AI copywriting on autopilot. Or you can use triggers, like if companies are hiring, to start engaging with them. Now, if you want to start merging different channels together, in this case, I'm showing you a way that you can create content on LinkedIn and use and scrape the database of people that react to your post and send them to a campaign. In this case, we have seen at almost 20% replay rate. That's crazy. I mean, that's not even achievable in other methods. The positive replay rate is really high as well, and this all takes us to the same thing. That is, if you add value and you target the precise audience, you will start getting cool results. Finally, I wanted to show you some results that you can get from launching a newsletter sign-up campaign or a re-engagement campaign that can be useful for you to set it up on autopilot and process those leads again and again and again. So in this case, a newsletter sign-up campaign reach out to leads that have recently signed up to our newsletter, and in this case, the connection accepted request rate is almost 70%. That's crazy. The reply rate is over 35%. It's also a great result. Most of the cases you can get about 10-15% reply rate if you're targeting a cold audience, but then having a 36% is 2 or 3x what you're getting right now. A re-engagement campaign can also be really useful. Although the reply rate is not as high, you will notice that this type of campaign are targeted to warm leads. This campaign converts really high. Those leads that reply to this campaign are really interested in an offer, and they have been seeing us, they have been chatting with us, so probably they will be ready to buy. As you can see here in this table, I'm processing whole conversation with those leads. Apart from processing the conversation, I'm able to create personalized follow-ups using these AI columns. After creating these messages, I just send those leads into a campaign, in this case in Get Sales. The way you structure these messages in a campaign is just message number 1, and you send them directly into the tool, like mapping each messages like message 1, message 2, message 3, and each of those messages will be really personalized. If you are sitting on hundreds of LinkedIn connections but only getting 1 or 2 leads per month from them, this is for you. What you just saw turned 3,000 connections into 47 qualified leads in 30 days. But here's what I didn't show you. I have created the complete LinkedIn connections activation kit with the exact Clay template I use, Hey-Rich integration, plus the geographic filtering that saves 40% of credits on qualification processes. This is the exact same system generating 120K in pipeline for our RevOps clients. I'm only sharing this with the first 100 people so everyone gets support if tagged. To get instant access, click the link below or comment activation and I will send it to your inbox right away. Don't let those connections sit there when they could be generating pipeline for you. If you don't get at least 10 qualified leads in 30 days, I will personally audit your setup for free. Link is below. As you can see in this video, Clay, it's a great tool that will superpower your workflows in LinkedIn and be able to help you not only qualify leads, but detect opportunities and send them to a campaign by creating personalized messages and so on. If you want to create your own LinkedIn strategy, take in mind that Clay will help you to craft a more intelligent and more successful strategy. But this is not the only case that you can do with Clay. So if you want to see other use cases of Clay, please check out this video where I talked about other 15 absolutely insane use cases of Clay.com that you can use to ramp up your process and start getting results in no time. See you in there.